So guys, this is how to make money online weekly. So this how the business works and everything you need to know. So this business I'm about to reveal to you guys now, you can be making good money every week because this company they pay every Friday. You got so they'll pay you every Friday of the week. So it's called affiliate program. What is an affiliate program? Affiliate program is a program where you register. You can create an account or you register, depending on the platform, and you sign in. So you refer a product, whether physical product or digital product. You refer it to people, to your friends, to your loved ones, or you run advertisements on it, online advertisements, paid adverts, or you any way at all you use to advertise it. Once people buy with your referral link, what is referral link? Referral link is a link where you will copy from the affiliate program platform. You copy the link and you share the link. You advertise the link with the product or with the video, anything you are selling. So once they click on your link, on that your affiliate link, that your referral link, once they buy from you from the website or from the shop, you will get a commission. You understand? If it's anything at all, that is to join a group or anything, it require money. Once they pay, you get your own commission. So that is for that. So this company now, they are paying high commission. The commission percent is 50%. You get 50% commission. This company I'm about to share with you now. So this company, they have a powerful WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, they train people on how to make money online in different ways, different methods on how to make money online. You get, so that is what the company, that's what they are doing. So they have also given opportunity to people to promote the WhatsApp group, so that more people will join. To join the WhatsApp group is €30. So you can promote it. That is the affiliate program here now. You can promote it and create an account. To create an account is very easy. Under 2 minutes, you have created an account. Then you copy your referral link. Then you promote it. How will you promote it? You can make a video of it. You can just say like you can just make a selfie video. You get and say you guys should join this group. In this group, they teach multiple ways on how you can make money online weekly, because this company they pay weekly. You get, just advertise it, talk things about it. Then once people join, you get a commission. They also have videos that you can use to promote the WhatsApp group. They have a video where you can just post the video in your Facebook page or any group, or you advertise it or anywhere at all with your referral link. Your referral link must be attached to it. You say to people that they should click on the link and they should register. You get, so once they click on your referral link and register, pay the sum of €30, you get a commission of €15. You get, so that's for that. So if you want to register on this you want to create an account with this affiliate program company, all you have to do, go to the description of this video. The description, you will see this link, registration page. You get this registration page, you will click on the link. This is the page where you register to become an affiliate. You get, so it's very important. So the link I click now, this is where the link landed me. So what you do, you fill your details here. Very easy. You get, you fill your details here, your name, your first name and everything. You fill it here. Make sure everything is correct. You got, So here you put your first name, then this place you put your last name. Forget about this username. You continue. The email, if you have a paper account, you put your paper account email here. You put your paper account email here, but that's how you be receiving your payments on paper. But if you don't have paper, you can put your bank payment method here. Or you put your normal email here. If you put your normal email here, we'll still contact you for your bank details. So this website, if you want to promote the product through your website, you can put your website link here. But if you don't have website, you can leave it. It's optional. And how will you promote us? That's how will you promote the videos, the stuff. It's also optional. It's optional. If you like, you don't put anything here. But if you like, you can just put anything. Maybe you want to be advertising it on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or you want to use paid advertisement. But it's optional. It doesn't compulsory for you to fill this form. Let me just write add. Register. Okay, the payment fee in this fee. Okay, so that means you have to fill this form here. You can just put your normal email and continue. Then this is your account here. This is your account. You have created the account already. As you can see, you haven't made any money. You haven't said anything. So how will you get your referral link? So this is your earning. If anybody buy now with your referral link, maybe one person buy, you will see 15 euro here. If two people buy, you see 30 euro here. So that is just it. So how will you get your referral link? As you can see, this is the home page now. So how will you get a referral link? You just click on this link here. Once you click on this button here, this link is up. Just leave this link like that. You go to this generate affiliate link. This is the place you focus on. This place. So any link you want to promote, maybe you want to promote the WhatsApp group where they teach people how to make money online on different methods, different ways on how to make money online. If you want to promote the WhatsApp group, and be any 15 euro commission if one person join, you go to the description of this video. So this is the link you need to copy. This online business models, this link is what you need to copy and paste it there. So as you can see, price for anyone to join is 30 euro. Your commission is 15 euro. Then they also have another stuff. That is the down. You see, watch movies for free. That one, if anybody wants it, it's an online stuff where people can watch movies for free. So if anybody want to watch movie for free, you can just advertise it to your friends or to anybody, or you run advertisement for it, or you post it on groups. They also have image for that, or you can design the image. You write anything. Hi guys, click on this link to watch movies for free. So once they get to the landing page, they'll just pay just 5 euro to watch movies, any movies at all, for free, and you get a commission of 2 euro 5 cents. If anybody join, you get 2 euro 5 cents. That one is for the movie. So any you can be promoting the two links. Promoting the two links. So let's talk about the main reason why we are here, why we are doing this video. It's for the WhatsApp group. You want to promote it. That is online business model. So you copy this link. To copy link, you click on it. Click on it. You draw it like this. Everybody know how to copy link or picture or a write-up. Then click on copy. Then go to this place. This generate affiliate link. You paste it here. You paste the link here. Then you click on generate. You click on it. Then the down link is your affiliate link. This is what you use to promote the group. You get, this is what you use. So you copy it. You get, this is your link. This is your link. You copy it. As you copy it now, you have copied it already. You get. So this down one is the one you post on anywhere you want to post it. Once anybody click on this link and pay 30 euro, you get commission of 15 euro. You get. So that is for that. If you also want to advertise, you want to promote this watch free movies for free, that's what you also do. You copy this watch movie for free link and you post and you paste it on this generate affiliate link. That's, you need to claim this link first though, and before you now paste that one, then you click on generate. You now generate again. So you get. So as you copy the link now, you can just go to any, like for example, you don't want to pay money for advertisement. You get. You can advertise it on page, Facebook page, Instagram page. You get. You can advertise it on any page. A lot of pages you can advertise your this thing. You can even go to YouTube. You can go to YouTube. You get. You can go to YouTube and just paste the link there. You say join this group and start making money. You can just go to the comment section. You know people like reading comments. You get. Let's say join. Mindful of what you click. God bless you. If not because this part is compulsory, we hope you can show you. Thank God it's Friday, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, DJ. If you're ready, I'm ready. Guys, apart from the fact that I say join this WhatsApp group and start making money weekly. You get. Then you put your link there, that your referral link. You paste it there. Then you post it. You get. So you see, join this WhatsApp group and start making money weekly. So if anybody see this thing now, they will click on it. They'll say, because people, they like reading like this. Almost everybody, they like reading comments to see what is going on. This is the proof to show you that people used to read comments. Look at this comment now. Look at it's 90 like. You get 90 like. This one 17 like, 21 like. You get. Look at a lot of comments. People will be reading comment and see what is going on. You get. So if anybody read this comment now, join this WhatsApp group and start making money weekly. They'll say, what is going on? They will click on your referral link. Once they click on referral link, you get. They will go to the landing page where we explain every details they need to know. You get. Look at the landing page now. Make money online as a professional. You get. So they will start watching all these videos. They will now understand all the details. You get. They watch this 4 video or only this video. You get. They will now understand every details. You don't need to stress yourself. They will now understand every details. Then once they want to register, now they click on join the WhatsApp group. You get. So once they look at also some details also. So once they click on register now, you see it's 30 euro. Once they pay the 30 euro, you get your commission of 15 euro. Very easy. You can also do it on groups, on Facebook groups or Facebook page, anywhere. You just be posting it there. You get. So that is for that. For example, you want to promote that link on how to watch free movies. You go to the description also. All these links are on the description. You copy the link. This watch free movies. You copy the link. Copy. You go to this generate affiliate link. That's where you post the link on. And click on generate. And the down one that I generated now, you copy it. That's what you use. Because that's what you advertise. You get. So once you advertise them, once anybody click on it, you get a commission. So you want to if you want to go to, after you have done, if you want to go to your home page, you go to your home page. This house here. So if anybody buy, you'll be seeing your commission here. You get. So that is for that. On Friday, they will pay you every Friday. Every Friday, you receive your payments. Once you have made 30 euro above, you receive your payment. You get. So they pay you every week on every Friday. It's very easy. So if you want to message these people, like you need videos or you need pictures, you need the designs of their products, want to message them. You get. So for example, you mistakenly cancelled your page. You go back to this registration link, you click on it. You don't need to fill the form again. Just click on this 3 dots line here, then go to your affiliate account, then you log in. So this is your page here. So as I was saying, if you want to message them, you go to their their Gmail, you message on their Gmail. You get. So as I was saying, if you want to contact them for maybe you need videos or you need the right designs or write up to promote their product, if you want to contact them, you go to this down place here. This contact us. This is their Gmail. You get this contact us on. This is their Gmail address. You click on it, you contact them, you message them that I want to promote social product. I need videos, I need pictures. You can contact them like that, or you can make pictures, or you can make designs yourself. You get, and promote it, or you can just go to any place and write. You get. Click on this link to watch free movies. Just put the link there. So that is for that. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe, and share.